So there's a word for this. It's actually an ugly economic term, stagflation. Stagflation. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development now says the world is on a path toward stagflation, which would be slower growth and higher inflation. And they blame President Trump's trade war for that, saying that the U.S. will only grow by 2.2% this year, down 0.2% from their earlier projections, and only 1.6% next year, down 0.5%. Let's get into this and more now with Steve Moore, Senior Visiting Fellow at the Heritage Foundation, former Senior Economic Advisor to President Trump. Steve, always great to see you. Thank you for coming on today. We appreciate it. That is an ugly term, by the way, so I assume you're going to argue that we're never going to see it, right? Stagflation?
Great to be with you. And well, everyone knows it's an ugly term because that's what we've had for the last 4 years, is stagflation, where we had just really weak growth, especially in employment and the private sector. And we saw high inflation that went up, prices rose 25 to 30%. So you had that combination of stagflation. It was just awful for Americans. That's why the American people voted for a change. Inflation is coming down. It still needs to come down a bit. I think that most of the measures show we're at about 3% inflation. We want to get it down to 2%, but that's still an improvement over the 9% we had at periods during the Trump presidency. The big issue right now is growth. And I do think if you look at the latest numbers, we're probably going to have a negative quarter for the first quarter, which ends at the end of this month. But I think if we can get this trade deal done, I think we'll turn the corner and we'll see really, some really strong growth in the second half of the year. Because 2 negative quarters in a row, of course, is the definition of a recession. What odds would you put on? What odds would you put on that? So I don't think we're going to have. Well, it's hard to predict. I mean, the spring months will decide that. The economy really look. Trump inherited a mess. We had a record high deficit. We had a record high debt. We had out of control illegal immigration. All these things need to be fixed, but we're fixing them, and Trump is fixing them. The one wild card out there right now, frankly, is the trade skirmishes that are going on, and whether Trump, I believe in the end
which
of the day,
he didn't inherit, Steve. In fairness, there he started. That he didn't really inherit. He started, but his argument is that long term it's better.
Look, Trump's idea here, just so people understand, is that we want to have freer and fairer trade, but that's going to force other countries to bring their tariffs down. It's that simple. And the United States has the lowest tariffs in the world, and we benefit from that. But these other countries, like China's charging tariffs that are 3 times higher than ours. How is it if we have a free trade deal with Canada that Canada is charging over 100% on our agriculture and dairy products? So I think at the end of the day, we're not just going to have fair trade, we'll have freer trade, which benefits everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.